Hey everybody, I'm back with my toolbox. So this is basically going to be part one. I'm going to get all these stickers off and I'm going to break it down, take the drawers out, take the handles off and bag them and tag them and get it ready to sand and paint. The paint I originally picked out I don't like too much, and I might have to do a little bit of pounding on this. I'm not sure. But let's get started. Screwdriver. I don't know what kind of glue he used, but these 3rd gen Camaro stickers might not be any good by the time I get done with them. There we go. Right now I got 2 like this, both the same size. 1 bigger one. Looks like one off of a silver Z28. Now these are all 3rd gen. Maybe a gold one. And a red one. And the nose piece one. And then these hopefully will come off just as easily. I hate taking them off, but they got to come off so I can paint. I have to get the WD-40 after that one. Well, these others I'm going to have to take something to and get off. So let's start breaking it down. There's a clip that holds this lock on. And of course I'm going to buy a new lock. Now, people say with these type of sliders you cannot take drawers out, but actually you can. I'll show you on this top one, and then I'll take the handle off. But if you look right here, you see this little triangle right there. Sometimes you just take a long enough screwdriver that's small enough. If you can't get it from one side, get it from the other. My hands don't want to work today, everybody. So, Daisy, did you eat my screwdriver? Did you eat my screwdriver? Mary, could I have your hammer, please?
Yes. Is it still on?
The trick of it is you got to be patient and take your time and throw tools all over the floor. But I think the long one's going to be better for this one. I just got to get a better angle on it. What's toes, honey?
Don't worry about my toes, it's my foot that's killing me. Never take my mind off of it.
Yeah, it's being stubborn, ain't it? I'll be back when I have more.
The camera.
As you can see, there's little tabs right there. You gotta get that out to break it loose from the sliders. So that's one out. I tell you what, my Craftsman toolbox was a lot easier than this, but this is an industrial grade toolbox. Interesting. Well, I can see now this one being just as stubborn. Tell you what, folks, I'll be back when I have them all out.